Yeah, good morning, guys. Let me share my screen. Are you able to see my screen? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Yesterday we have discussed about SDLC models. Okay, coming to how many models is there? We are having two. Okay, one is sequential and second one is the incremental. Coming to sequential, we have another two types. What are those? Waterfall and V model. Coming to incremental model, how many models is there? RAD model, spiral model, prototype model, and most popular is Agile model. Okay. Coming to Agile model is best suitable for incremental model, and it is advanced SDLC model, which is looking like waterfall model. Okay. In Agile model, module by model will be developed up to end of the project. Okay. And we are going to if you have any doubts or any clarifications, we are going to work with whom? Client respective people. Okay. In Agile model, we are going to follow the Scrum process. Okay. In Scrum process, we are having different types of activities. What are the different types of activities? Like Scrum Master, user stories, okay, Scrum meetings, sprint meetings, backlogs, those things comes under activities. We'll see one by one activities. These things we have discussed on yesterday. Today we will discuss one by one activity. Okay. Who is the Scrum Master, guys? Who is
Team
going
leader.
to lead the project is called as a Scrum Master. Okay. Who is the Scrum Master? Scrum
Who
Master.
is lead?
Who is going to lead? Who is going to lead the project? Lead the project is called as Scrum Master. Who will be this? Who will be the Scrum Master? Who will be the Scrum Master? Sometimes the project lead will be, or otherwise project manager will be, or otherwise sometimes if there is a no manager or there is a no client, means client only will act as Scrum Master. Okay, that is depending upon their companies. Okay, 90% the project lead only going to take care of Scrum Master. Okay, got it. Sometimes there is a project, there is a no project manager, means sometimes who will act as a Scrum Master? Client only will act as a Scrum Master. Guys, clear?
Yeah.
Hello. Okay. Will act as a Scrum Master. Yeah. Scrum Master is responsible for what are the things? Scrum Master is responsible for Scrum meetings and sprint meetings. Who is responsible for Scrum meetings and sprint meetings?
Scrum Master.
Scrum Master. Scrum Master is responsible for Scrum meetings and sprint meetings. Each and every day. Okay, what are the calls you are going to discuss? Who will schedule? Scrum Master will schedule. Okay, at what time? Okay, we need to discuss every day. Okay, they will schedule all depending upon availability. They will schedule each and every day. On that day, we have to attend every day. That is nothing but stand-up call. Okay, that is nothing but stand-up call, or we sometimes will call it as catch-up call. Guys, understanding?
Yes.
Or otherwise we'll call as Scrum call. Okay, anything, it's fine. Okay, now we're going to discuss about Scrum meetings. What is Scrum meetings? Can anyone? What is the Scrum meetings?
The meeting happen within the team.
Yeah, on daily basis, all team members have to participate. On the daily basis, all team members who have to participate in this meeting?
All the team members.
All team members have to participate. Okay. All team members will participate one quick meeting. Participate one quick meeting. Okay, that is nothing but stand-up meeting. Meeting where they will explain what are the things they are performed yesterday and what are the things is going to do today. Okay, ఈ కాల్ ఏం చెప్తారండి, నిన్న ఏం చేశారు, ఈ రోజు ఏం చేస్తారు. జస్ట్ that you have to take care of 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, if you have facing any problems or any concerns also, you have to raise in that call only. Guys, got it? మీకు ఏమైనా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కానీ ఏమైనా ఇష్యూస్ కానీ ఫేస్ చేస్తుంటే అప్లికేషన్ లో ఈ కాల్లో మీరు చెప్పొచ్చు. ఓకే, సో I cannot proceed further because blocked with some issue. Okay, guys, understanding?
Yes, sir.
Actually, lead has been assigned one requirement, but you are not able to proceed that requirement due to some blocker issue. Okay, same issue you can tell. Okay, if you are not able to tell means what they will expect. He is going to take care of this requirement. He will complete within 1 or 2 days. Okay, after 2 days will come means if you explain that issue means that is not good. Okay, if you are facing any issue means you have to raise immediately. Okay, we have to post that issue in the defeat tracking tool. At the same time, we have to inform in the team lead or team manager. Okay, మీరు ఏమైనా ఇష్యూ ఫేస్ చేస్తుంటే ఇమీడియట్ గా బగ్ పెట్టాలి and we have to inform them also. Got it? Guys,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
on daily basis, all team members will participate quick meeting where they will explain what are the things you are going to explain. What are the activities performed yesterday? What are the activities performed yesterday? And what are the activities performed today? And what are the activities performing today? That is nothing but Scrum meeting. Okay, guys, clear? Any doubts up to here?
No.
ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తారండి, వాట్ ఆర్ ది థింగ్స్ యు ఆర్ డూయింగ్ ఎస్టర్డే అండ్ వాట్ ఆర్ ది థింగ్స్ యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డూ టుడే. ఇఫ్ ఎనీ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఆర్ ఎనీ కన్సర్న్స్ ఆల్సో యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డిస్కస్. ఓకే, ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ టీమ్ మెంబర్ హ్యావ్ టు పార్టిసిపేట్. Okay, suppose 15 test engineers is there. All 15 test engineers have to join the call. That is nothing but Scrum call, or we can say stand-up call, or we can say what we can say stand-up call, Scrum call, sprint calls means will come under next thing, sprint meetings. Okay, guys, clear?
Yes.
Don't confuse. Okay, another one is sprint meetings. Here, what is meant by sprint meetings? Yeah, actually, our sprint will be 2 to 4 weeks. How many days? Our sprint 2 to 4 weeks. Why? Because we are following Agile method.
Agile model.
Suppose there is a 14 or 15 requirements is there. Okay, suppose think. Okay, our example, take it as five requirements is came into the picture to release after 2 to 4 weeks. Okay, who will decide this all things? When to deploy? Okay?
Team lead.
Team lead or project lead is going to decide. Okay, that is depending upon requirements also. Okay, suppose 15 requirements is there, it will take 3 to 4 weeks. If there is only 5 requirements, we can complete within 2 weeks. Yes or no? They can complete development, they can complete testing as well. Okay, each and everything they will consider and they will give the final date. Okay, when we have to deploy. Okay, coming to my organization, every 2 weeks. Okay, every 2 weeks they are going to release. That to Wednesday. That to when? Wednesday. Today is 24. Okay, Today is 24. When is my next deployment will be?
Tomorrow.
No, 7th. When will be the
Next
next
Wednesday.
deployment? Yeah. 2
Next
weeks, right?
Wednesday. Okay.
This is 1 week, 24 to 31, 1 week.
Yeah, 2
31
weeks.
to 7th. Okay. 2 weeks. Okay. If there is a lot of requirements is there. Okay. It may take another 1 more week. Why? Because requirements is lot of requirements is there. We cannot complete within 2 weeks. Okay. Development have to do development, and testing team also have to test the requirements, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Well, so that's the reason this and everything will be considered, and they will give the final deployment date. Within that date, we have to complete each and everything. Got it? Understood?
Yes.
How much time we are going to take? Actually, it will be
2 to 4 months. 4 weeks.
4 months.
Sorry, 4 weeks. Sir.
Coming to sprint meetings. What is the use of sprint meetings? Once sprint is completed, the next sprint will be decided under which meeting? Sprint meetings. Okay. Once sprint is completed, then we are going to decide when we have to deploy the build into production server. Where we are going to decide? Under sprint meetings. Okay. They will also participate one quick meeting with managers, with the leads, with the team members. Each and everyone will participate one quick meeting. Okay. All development team will come into the picture. Okay. They will enter. From my side, there is no issues. Okay. We have developed each and everything. Okay. From my side, no issues. We can deploy within 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Coming to testing side. Okay. How many days you will take? How many days you will take? How many issues is coming? Okay. When we have to deploy each and everything, we are going to discuss in this meeting. If it is completed within 2 weeks, means we can deploy within 2 weeks. Otherwise, we can go for 1 more week. Yes or no? That is depending upon issues also, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Who will decide these all things?
Scrum Master.
Yeah, Scrum Master or manager is
Team lead.
to
Yeah.
decide. Okay. In this meeting, they can confirm. About current sprint is delivered successfully or not. Is it delivered successfully or not? Okay. See, let me open my application and I will show you one more thing. app17.switchsoft.com. See guys, are you able to see my screen? See here, what is the version?
Yes.
Here, what is the version? Hello. Here, what is the version? Build version 9.8.2.
8.2.
Okay. If you see after 14 or 15 days, okay, what it will be? It will get changed. Why? Because some requirements will added means, okay, this version also will change. Yes or no?
Yes.
Like Chrome also. If you go to Chrome, 1 second, go to Chrome, help. Are you able to see help? Go to about. Here, what is the version?
113.0.
113 dot something is there. Okay.
5672.
Yeah, if you see after 2 weeks or 1 month after, the version will get updated. Why? Because the Chrome is going to change something. Okay, 2 to 4 weeks, they are going to add some requirements. Okay, based upon that requirement, they will change the version number. Okay, same like that only, we are going to change each and everything. Okay, version number also in our application. Okay. If any requirements is adding in our application means we are going to change the version number also. Guys, clear?
Yes.
Okay. Once this version number is deployed into production server with some requirements, if customer is facing some issues or not, we have to know that issues also. Yes or no?
Yes.
Whether it is delivered successfully or not, whether that requirement is working properly in our production environment or not. Each and everything will be discussed under where? Sprint.
Sprint meeting.
ఓకే అంటే ఈ రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ ఏమైతే మీరు టెస్ట్ చేస్తుంటారో ఆ 5 రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ వర్క్ అవుతున్నాయా లేదా ప్రాపర్ గా క్లయింట్ కి. ఓకే, అవన్నీ ఎక్కడ డిసైడ్ చేస్తారో?
Sprint meetings.
Sprint meetings. Got it? Or any issues are they are facing, any challenges they are facing. Okay, each and everything will be discussed under sprint meetings. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. Any more doubts up to here?
No.
Coming to user stories. What is meant by user stories? User stories is nothing but requirements only.
Requirements.
What is meant by requirements? What is meant by requirements here? Coming to go to your my receipts. Here, what are the different types of requirements is there? Search option is there, custom receipt is there, delete receipt is there. These all are the different types of requirements. Where? Under my receipts. Got it? Hello.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
In your way, if I can say means, suppose WhatsApp is there. Previously, we are having only chat option. Nowadays, we can send the status and we can see the status and we can make the calls. We can make the video and audio calls as well, and we can make the payments as well. Yes or no? We can send the files. We can send the emojis. Guys, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Previously, these all features are not available.
Oh.
Okay. Those are comes under requirements. Whose requirement? Client requirements.
Science.
What are the client requirements we are capturing? What are the client requirements? Client requirements we are capturing from client. Whatever the, 1 second, let me write. Whatever the requirements. Yeah. Whatever the requirements we are capturing from the client, those are called as which one? User stories. అంటే ఏమైతే రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ని మీరు చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారో దాన్ని యూజర్ స్టోరీస్ అంటారు. Got it? Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. We want to do our own requirement. Yes or no?
Yes.
Based upon client requirement only, we are going to do each and everything. Okay. How you are going to test? Whether the expected value and the actual value. What is your expected value? The client is expecting something. You are expecting something. Which one you have to consider?
Client
Client
requirement.
value is the
Client value we have to consider. Okay. If client don't want that thing means in application also that thing is not required. Okay. If client need means in application also have to be. Got it? Yeah. Coming to Scrum Master is completed, user stories is completed, Scrum meetings, sprint meetings, and sprint plan. What is meant by sprint plan? I have told yesterday. What is meant by sprint plan?
When to do.
It is a fixed time. Okay. It is a fixed time.
Okay.
Yes or no? It is a fixed time. We have only 2 to 4 weeks. Okay. Yes or no? Here we
Yes.
have discussed. Okay. It is a fixed time. Okay. Who will decide these things? Scrum Master is going to decide based upon
requirements.
requirements. Yes or no? If there is a 20 or 30 requirements means we can take 4 weeks. Yes or no? Why?
Yes.
Because a lot of requirements is there.
Yeah.
Development team have to complete their development. As a testing engineers, we have to complete our testing. Once if there is any issues means, again we have to post the defects to the development team. Again they have to fix the issues. Again we have to retest. Yes or no? This is a long
Yeah.
process. If there is a 5 requirements means we can complete development within 1 week. After 2 or 3 days, we can complete testing as well. If any issues miss, we can post the development side. They will fix and we can retest and we can send back. Within 2 weeks, we can complete. If there is a 20 or 30 requirements means we cannot complete within 2 weeks. Got it? Who will decide?
Scrum
Sprint
Master.
master. Scrum master.
Scrum Master. Okay. Sprint plan is nothing but it is a fixed time to complete the current task. Okay. What is the sprint plan?
Fixed time.
Fix.
Sprint plan is a fixed time
To
to
complete the
complete
current
the current task.
requirement.
Current task. Okay. Who is going to decide? It is
Scrum master.
decided by Scrum Master. Okay. Sometimes we'll act as project manager or sometimes we'll act as project lead.
Lead.
If there is a no project manager, there is a no lead means client is
Client.
going to act as a Scrum Master. Okay. 99.999% will be project lead and project manager. Okay. If there is a very startup companies means client only will act. Very startup. Okay. Nowadays, project manager is there and project lead is there. Okay. Directly client is not acting as a Scrum Master. That is a very, very rare scenario. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. What else is there? Backlogs. Here, what is meant by backlogs? Here, what is meant by backlogs?
Uncompleted process.
If you are not able to complete any requirement, if you are not able to complete any requirement, those will come as backlogs. What those things called? ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఏమన్నా కంప్లీట్ చేయనివన్నీ ఏమవుతాయండి?
Backlogs.
Backlogs అంటారు. If I think all are BTech means you know this thing. You can hear about this word. Someone is BTech.
Yes.
Okay. ఈ నేమ్ ఎక్కడైనా విన్నారండి?
ఏదైనా సబ్జెక్ట్ ఫెయిల్ అయిపోయినప్పుడు.
ఓకే. ఇక్కడ ఫెయిల్ అని అనలేం కానీ సేమ్ అటువంటిదే. ఓకే. సేమ్ అటువంటిదే. ఇప్పుడు మీరేమన్నా కంప్లీట్ చేయనటివన్నీ బ్యాక్లాగ్స్ కింద వస్తాయి. అవి మళ్ళీ ఎవరు కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి?
మనమే చేయాలి.
మనమే చేయాలి. అది ఎప్పుడు కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి? నెక్స్ట్ స్ప్రింట్. అంటే నెక్స్ట్ స్ప్రింట్ అప్పుడు మళ్ళీ ఎప్పుడైతే రిలీజ్ చేస్తారో బిల్డ్ ని ఆ లోపల కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి. అప్పుడు కానీ కంప్లీట్ కాకపోతే ఏం చేయాలి? మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ స్ప్రింట్. అంతే కదండి. ఇప్పుడు సబ్జెక్ట్ పోయింది. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ ఎప్పుడైతే ఎగ్జామ్ వస్తుందో అప్పుడు మళ్ళీ మనం ఎగ్జామ్ రాస్తాం. అప్పుడు మళ్ళీ పోయింది ఏం చేస్తాం?
మళ్ళీ రాస్తాం.
మళ్ళీ రాస్తాం.
నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్.
ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ ఏముండదు, నెక్స్ట్ స్ప్రింట్. ఓకే. ఓకే. 1 year తర్వాత అయితే ఆ క్లయింట్ గా వెళ్ళిపోతాడు. ఓకే. ఓకే గైస్.
Yeah.
What is meant by backlogs?
Incomplete
If we
work.
are not able to complete, if we are not able to complete, you are not able to complete any user stories, those will be taken as backlogs. Those will be taken as backlogs. Who is going to complete these backlogs?
We only.
We only have to take. As a test engineer, we only have to take. Okay. When we have to complete this, if we have any backlogs means?
Next sprint.
Yeah. Okay. I will write here also. Yeah. Backlogs will be carried to next sprint. Backlogs will be carried to next sprint. When will be our next sprint? Once 2 weeks is completed, we have deployed our current sprint. Again, next sprint is coming with another 5
Next.
requirements. Okay, we have to complete that 5 and plus 1.
This one, 6.
Okay, we have to complete 6 requirements. Okay, 90% won't be backlogs. Okay, that is a rare cases only. We have to complete. Okay, each and everything. Okay, if you are not able to complete, means there will be a team. Okay, who is completed all requirements, they will help you out. Okay, in our
Yeah.
idea, only one person will won't work on requirement. Okay, బీటెక్ లాగా మన సబ్జెక్ట్స్ మనమే రాసుకోవాలి అని రూల్ ఏం లేదు. ఓకే, మీకు ఏమైనా వర్క్ ఉంటే సేమ్ వర్క్ యూ కెన్ అసైన్ టు అనదర్ పర్సన్ హూ హ్యాస్ నో వర్క్. గైస్ క్లియర్?
Yes.
వర్క్ ఉన్నింది అనుకోండి, మీరే చేయాలి. ఎందుకంటే దిస్ ఈస్ బిలాంగింగ్ టు యువర్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్. ఓకే గైస్ క్లియర్?
Yes.
As a test engineer, there will be a lot of people. Okay, nearly 10 to 15 people. If that is a big project, means 40 to 50 people also will be as a test engineers. Okay, you no need to worry about that thing. Okay, coming to advantages. What are the different advantages we are having in Agile model? What are the advantages?
Less time.
No, we cannot say less time, but it is a fixed time.
Okay, yeah, please.
By using Scrum meetings, directly we can interact with stakeholders. Yes or no? మన డైలీ స్క్రమ్ మీటింగ్స్ పెట్టుకుంటే స్టాక్ హోల్డర్స్ తో కాంటాక్ట్ అవుతాం, లైక్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ మేనేజర్, టీమ్ మేనేజర్. ఓకే, yes or no? If you are
Yes.
facing any issues, we can directly report it. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, anything else? We can get clarifications very quickly. Clarifications very quickly. Why? Because why you
There
get
will be
clarifications very quickly?
meetings every day.
Yeah, every day we are participating meetings. If you are facing any problems, means we have to raise your problems in that call. Okay, they will give the solution. Yes or no?
Yes.
If you are not able to continue means they will say something else. Okay, or otherwise stop that requirement, go for another requirement. Okay, got it? We will get clarification very quickly. Okay, here we can gain the customer satisfaction also. We can gain the customer satisfaction by delivering sprint directly. By delivering sprint directly. See, here what is meant by client satisfaction? Here what is meant by client satisfaction? See, you have
Delivery
deployed
within the time.
see here your version is delivering within 2 to 4 weeks. Okay, he is also expecting I need within 2 to 4 weeks of time, I need this requirement. Okay, you are also doing same thing. Okay, you are delivering each and every sprint directly to the customer. Okay, if you have delivered successfully without no issues, means he will satisfy 100%.
Yes. Yeah. Yes.
Why I am saying 100%?
Requirement is
Why? Because each and every requirement we are going to discuss with customer directly. Yes or no? If development is completed, they are going to show each and everything. We have developed this thing. Is it fine or not? Okay, if there anything needed, okay, the development team is going to ask each and everything. Yes or no? I have explained, right?
Yes.
Okay. If as a test engineer, what you are going to say? I am working on my receipts. Under my receipts, we are facing from 20 to 40 issues. We are daily, weekly, we are directly interacting with customer. We are not daily taking. Okay, when we are going to take weekly once or twice. That is depending upon your project as well. Okay. కానీ వీక్లీ ఒకసారి అయితే ఖచ్చితంగా క్లయింట్స్ ఇంటరాక్ట్ అవుతాం. ఓకే, వీఆర్ నాట్ గోయింగ్ టు టాక్ డైరెక్ట్లీ. హూ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు టేక్ కేర్ దిస్ ఆల్ థింగ్స్?
Team lead.
Team lead will is going to take here 100% client satisfaction. 100% client satisfaction. Anything advantages is there? Here we can save time and cost. We can save time and cost. Why I am saying to save time and cost? Can anyone?
It's divided to sprint wise, right? Here.
Not sprint wise, it is divided into module wise. What wise? Module wise. Suppose here 5 requirements is there. What is 5? Expenses,
Expenses,
my receipts, my transactions and approvals. Suppose think 5 requirements is there. If any one requirement is completed, okay, from development side, okay, we can directly, they will deploy into QA server.
Test
Server, QA server.
QA server, testing server.
Then the test engineer will going to test this requirement. Got it? If
Yes.
there is any issues, means we are going to report to the development team.
Developers.
Okay. At the same time, testing is going on. What the development team is working? What
Remaining my receipts they work on.
they will work on my receipts.
My receipts.
Okay. Suppose your testing is completed on expenses. Okay, they have completed my receipts.
My receipts.
What they will do?
They will do my
work on
transactions.
My
My
transactions. You will work on my receipts.
My receipts.
Okay.
Parallelly working.
Once parallelly working. So here we can save time, at the same time cost.
Expense.
Okay. Got it?
Yes.
See, here we can test each and every sprint multiple times. Why? Because one time expenses is came into the picture. Another time expenses on my receipts. Both is there. Yes or no? Expenses is completed and my receipts also completed. We have to test both. Yes or no?
Yes.
Guys, development is completed, my receipts also. In QA server, what are the things is there? Expenses will be
and my
and
receipts.
my receipts. We are going to test, we can test multiple times. Okay. After that, development team is working on my transactions.
My transactions.
Okay. Once my transaction is also completed. Okay. In testing server, what are the things is there?
Expenses, my receipts, my
and my
transactions.
Each these 3 requirements we can test multiple times. Okay, why we need to test multiple times? I have tested only one time. It's enough, right? Why I need to test multiple times? Why?
Oh,
Anyone? దేనికి టెస్ట్ చేయాలి మల్టిపుల్ టైమ్స్? ఒకసారి టెస్ట్ చేస్తే సరిపోద్ది కదా.
పర్ఫెక్ట్ రిజల్ట్ కోసం.
వితౌట్ నో ఇష్యూస్, ఏం ఇష్యూస్ లేకుండా ఉన్న దానికోసం మనం మల్టిపుల్ టైమ్స్ టెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఓకే, అండర్స్టాండింగ్? దేనికి టెస్ట్ చేయాలంటే మల్టిపుల్ టైమ్స్ ఏం ఇష్యూస్ లేకుండా ఉండే దానికోసం మనం టెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఓకే గైస్, క్లియర్?
Yes.
What is advantages? Each and every sprint will be tested multiple times.
Multiple times.
Every sprint is tested multiple times. Why? We can ensure quality. Yes or no? Quality is nothing but without no issues. Guys, clear?
Yes.
Anything else?
Scroll down, please.
Anything advantages is there? We can maintain clear user stories. We can maintain clear user stories. What is meant by user stories?
Requirements.
Requirements.
Okay. Coming to 2 weeks, they have given 5 requirements. Those 5 requirements also we have to maintain. Okay. We have to maintain. Okay. Coming to next sprint, some 10 requirements is there. Okay. We have to maintain in some place. Okay. What is that some place? Previously, we are going to use Excel sheets. Previously, where we are going to maintain those all things?
Excel sheets.
Excel sheets. Nowadays, we are going to use in tool. Nowadays, we are going to use in a tool. That tool is nothing but Zira. Okay. In Zira only, we can maintain the stories as well. Okay. Got it. Who is
Yes.
going to take care of this all things? User stories. As a Scrum Master is going to take care. You are not going to do these things. Why? Because you are going to work on only particular requirement. You are not going to test all 20 or 30 requirements. Yes or no? You are going to test 1 or 2 requirements. Okay, there will be 10 or 15 test engineers. Okay, they will split that requirements. Okay, coming to you, you will get only 1 or 2 requirements. That is also depending upon your organization. Got it?
Yeah.
These are the different types of advantages. Coming to disadvantages, what are the different disadvantages? What is the different disadvantages? Maintaining sprint related information is very challenging. Yes or no? Maintaining sprint related information. Like as I told, right? Suppose we are maintaining an Excel sheet. Suppose Excel sheet has been gone. Then what is my another solution? We cannot recover, right? Unfortunately, I have deleted completely from my system. Then how we cannot recover? It is very challenging task, but we can overcome with one of the tool nowadays. Okay, previously that option is not available. Nowadays that is available. Maintaining sprint related information is challenging.
What is the tool name?
Zero.
Jira, right?
Yeah. But we can overcome with defect tracking tool. Defect tracking tool. Okay, these are the different advantages and different disadvantages is available in the agile methodology. This is very, very popular in interview questions. You are going to face different types of interview questions. Guys, clear? What are the defect tracking tools we are having in our other companies? Not only Jira, we have multiple defect tracking tools like Bugzilla,
Q test. Right.
Bugzilla, Track Plus, Jira, QC, test. We have different types of defect tracking tools. Some other organizations is having their internal tools also. Okay, that is depending upon their organization. Okay, all are same only. Okay, if one tool is enough. Okay, all are same only. Most similar only. Got it?
Yeah.
Any
Here,
doubts?
most of the companies use Jira only, na?
Yeah, nowadays most of the companies are using Jira only.
This is the latest version.
Not latest version. Why? Because when coming to this all things, here we can do user stories also. We can maintain user stories also. Okay. Coming to Bugzilla, we can raise only defects as well. We cannot
Okay.
maintain user stories. Okay.
Okay.
That is the one of
Advanced
the
one.
advantage. Yeah. That is. Got it.
Yes.
All are same only. We can raise the defect, but here coming when compared to this all tool, This is the latest and some more advantages is there. That's it. Clear?
Yes.
Any more doubts up to here?
No.
Tomorrow, I will discuss about software testing methods and levels. What we are going to discuss tomorrow, software testing methods and levels. Coming to methods, how many methods is there? 2 methods. How many methods is there? 2 methods. What are those? One is static testing and second one is the dynamic testing.
Dynamic testing.
Okay? One is static testing and second one is the dynamic testing. Coming to levels. How many levels is there? 4 levels. How many levels is there? Guys, how many levels is there?
4 levels.
4 levels. What are those? Unit
Unit
level
testing,
testing, unit level
integration,
testing, integration level testing, system level
system
testing,
test.
and user acceptance testing. Okay, coming to unit level testing and integration level testing comes under white box testing.
Black box. Sorry.
Wait. Okay, unit level testing and integration level testing comes under white box testing. Coming to system level testing and user acceptance level testing comes under black box testing. Okay, black box testing means whom? As a
Testers.
tester here, we have to test. Got it? Coming to white box and black box, combination called as gray
Great.
box. Okay, got it?
Yes.
Yes.
These are the different types of methods and these are the different types of levels we are having. Okay, I will explain this thing tomorrow. Okay, this thing won't complete now. Okay, I will explain tomorrow. If you have any queries, you can ask me.
This Azure disadvantages, only one disadvantage is right.
Yeah.